Your Excellency, we are here. You call for us.
Yes. Take this money and do something about the protest.
Your Excellency, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Come, now me suppose hold this money.
I senior you.
Senior me how?
I senior you.
Senior
go
me how?
school. I'm a graduate.
Calm down. You are a youth representative. I'm also a youth representative. You cannot hold this money.
Your Excellency,
I'm supposed to hold this money, my friend. You leave this money for me. Let me
older
handle
than
it.
you.
Older
I
than
have
me
a
how?
BSc degree.
Oga, I'm the one that
I study financial management. You don't know how to manage finance.
Calm down, calm down. Let's do this amicable.
That is what you
so that
okay, that's what you want. This protest.
This protest.
Nobody will enjoy this money.
No problem. Is that what you want?
Your Excellency.
No problem.
Your Excellency, don't worry.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Let the protest
It must hold.
Let it hold. Let's watch and see.
The protest must hold.
Wow. These people are really hungry. So I think this is the right time to make Nigeria work again.